Welcome to Dot Scalp. Today, we got client from BD. I'm gonna treat him. What's going to happen? Let's go! Hi, good to see you. Yeah, please come inside.
Okay, my name is Gopal and I'm from Podixon, and my age is June this year is 55 years old. Suddenly I come across SMP. I was thinking, what is SMP, and I'm curious, and then it looks so natural, And I think like, okay, so I told myself, okay, why don't we give a try, and it's not dangerous, and it's not so super expensive, and it's not risky. So I said, why not? No, I feel excited actually, in fact, how it turns out, So I'm very eager to see what is the result. So first session, I'm excited. I'm just rendering my canvas to you. So see how it goes. So I'm very eager to see what is the result, but I understand there will be layers, there will be few sessions to get it right. So obviously take time, and I'm okay with it. As long as the result turns out, expect it to turn out, I'm okay with it. After the SNP procedure with James, I feel pretty happy with the result, and I'm really thankful to James, and I really wish him well, and hopefully a lot of clients like me who have hair loss problem will benefit from his expertise. I feel so happy about it. It's not only happy, it gives me some sort of pride, having my hair back. It gives me a lot of satisfaction, happiness, and then I think I can walk with my head up now. You all should come over to this guy. You all must come and at least get consulted. He's kind, humble, honest, and he's very precise. He's into it.
Okay, who's going to be my next artwork? So thank you for sharing your experience. Thank you so much. Thank you.
No problem.
Thank you.
You take care. Thanks a lot, man.
Thank you.